Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a deep dive in HomeSense for all the best Pottery Barn dupes and all the best trends that are going on right now for Christmas 2025. Let's jump right into it. From the moment you walk in, so many great finds. I loved the snowmans. They had so many of these, and that rocking horse for a little bedroom for a child would be so cute. Love the ornaments, just like the Pottery Barn one. Such a great dupe for less. So many great gingerbread houses. I loved the countdown one. And if you're doing nutcrackers outside on the front porch, they had so many large scale ones that were really, really great. So many great gingerbread houses, lots of pre-lit ones, lots of beautiful little villages. Loved the pink ones for the girls' room. The stocking holder gingerbreads were too cute. The nutcrackers were adorable. So many cute finds today. Loved this little village with the wreath, so cute with the bows. Loved the Santa. So many great, really nostalgic items for that classic Christmas and also that Ralph Lauren Christmas. Love these little gingerbread pillows. Reminded me a lot of the Pottery Barn ones. Snagged this Pottery Barn dupe for that little gingerbread house. Loved the Christmas trees and the little nutcrackers they had. So much beautiful options here today at HomeSense. Also loved this large scale Santa, and these globes were adorable. Loved the one with the choo-choo train, and I loved the one with the Christmas tree. So many classic finds and beautiful ornaments. There was also such an amazing selection on candles today. I was loving the ones with the bows, of course, since I'm doing the bow theme this year. Beautiful garlands. Loved the ones with the little pieces of burgundy thrown in there because I'm doing a lot of deep burgundy in my theme, but literally had something for everyone. Be sure to always check out your HomeSense aisle that has the gift wrap and the boxing for Christmas. I absolutely love this aisle. They had so many beautiful choices. Some of them had gorgeous ribbons right on theme with my theme this year. Loved that one. A lot of gingerbread ones, super cute. Also gorgeous baskets with bows. I loved that gingerbread. So many gorgeous stockings as well. I always love to look for a fun cookie jar and serving ware, and of course hosting ware for your table and tablescape this year, and they never disappoint at HomeSense. So many great options. Of course, love the bow theme, so beautiful. Also love the mug section. Of course, that bow one, the Santa, and the gingerbread had my heart. Those ones were my fave, but so many beautiful choices. That nutcracker plate and that classic Christmas plate was so beautiful. Of course, when hosting for the holidays, I love to look at table runners, tablecloths, all of the napkins, the napkin rings, all of the table settings, and that section in HomeSense never disappoints. So many beautiful things. And I loved their bakingware options this year. So many great, cute little sets. Also great for gifts if you're going to give your host a gift this year or just for fun baking with you and the kids and the family. And if you are enjoying today's video, please remember to like and subscribe for more Christmas content coming your way daily. Also loved this throw pillow with the Christmas tree, so classic and timeless. And of course, adding those holiday touches wherever you can, in your bathroom, in your upstairs, with your bedding. I always love to spread that holiday joy throughout the home, so your guests this season will see all those little touches. I was seeing a lot of Pottery Barn dupes for pillows. That gingerbread one was cute. There was some Santa and gingerbread ones as well. And of course, some classic plaid and Christmas tree pillows just to add to your holiday decor. I think always getting a plaid, you cannot go wrong. I loved that bow pillow. Those Christmas tree pillows were adorable. So many cute throw blankets as well. So just adding in a new throw pillow or blanket. That Santa pillow is adorable. So many great finds here at HomeSense. So many goodies in the cart. So exciting. And of course, before checking out, don't forget to check out the final aisles. Those checkout aisles have so many goodies. I loved their baked goods stuff. So many great items for your bathroom, soap dispensers, little towels, and of course, kitchen stuff as well. They had great scents in the candle section, and of course, just napkins and fun little things to add to your house. And of course, mugs. They always have the best mugs, little wine openers, and gift bags for holiday wrapping. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.